Hello guys, welcome back. In previous tutorial, I explained conditional functions, SUMIF and SUMIFs. In today's tutorial, I'm going to continue conditional functions with COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. Based on the criteria that you specify, COUNTIF and COUNTIFs let you count a value within a range. Let us get started. Here, type this formula. Select what range do you want to look at. Select the fruit column, comma, and then select what value do you want to look for. Fruit would be the value that I'm gonna looking for. And select this one, close the bracket, press enter. As you can see here, I have 3 bananas in the list, not amount. I'm talking about this list. 1, 2, 3 banana in the list. I have already made a tutorial how to make a drop down list. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Let us move to COUNTIFs. Here, type this formula, select your first range. Would be my first range, the fruit column, comma, and then select the criteria for the first match. Fruit would be the criteria for first match. Select the cell, again, comma, and then select your second range. Type column would be my second range, comma, and then select the criteria for your second range. This cell, type cell, would be the criteria for the second match. Select this one and close the bracket. Press enter. I have fruit and type. In this list, apple, Fuji. I have more apple in the fruit list, but only one type of Fuji. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.